Hello, welcome to Bookkeeping with Sarah. Today I would like to talk about three documents that people often misuse. They mistake them for each other. These documents are the quotation, the invoice, and the receipt. Now, the quotation is just like a price list. It's a document that you give to your customer to see the list of items and the prices that you have, or the list of services that you offer and their prices. So when someone comes to you and demands how much you charge for what and for this and that, you give them the quotation. That is what the quotation is. Now, the invoice is a document that shows that a sale has taken place. It's an evidence of a sale. It means that you've rendered a service to someone or you've sold some goods to someone, right? Either by cash or credit, and then you tender this invoice. It just shows the list of the services or goods that you've sold and their prices. So when a sale happens, the invoice is sent to the customer. That is to show that that is the bill that they have to pay for the services that you have rendered to them or the goods that you have sold to them. And the receipt is the document that shows an evidence for payment that has been made. So if after tendering that invoice to your customer, they make payment, then you offer them a receipt. Sometimes payments can be, an invoice can be given and a receipt will also be given immediately because the customer receives the invoice and pays immediately. But sometimes with just an invoice, you can have up to 3 receipts, because after receiving the services or goods, someone can pay up to two or more times, right? For example, you made a sale of 100,000 to a customer and the customer pays you 20,000 the first time. You will issue a receipt of 20,000. And the next payment might be 50,000. You issue another receipt of 50,000. And maybe the final payment is 30,000. You issue the final receipt for the final payment. And so you can see that with just an invoice of 100,000, you generated 3 receipts for that transaction. So an invoice shows you that a sale has happened, while a receipt shows that payment has actually taken place. So I believe you now understand the differences between these documents. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.